Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on your Toyota Tacoma. First, park your truck on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall or garage door. Make sure your tire pressure is correct and your fuel tank is at least half full. This ensures an accurate starting point. You'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape for this task. Next, measure the distance from the ground to the center of each headlight lens. Transfer these measurements to your wall, marking them with tape. Then, draw a vertical line directly in front of the center of each headlight on the wall. These marks will serve as your reference points for both horizontal and vertical adjustments, guiding your beam's alignment. Now, let's adjust the vertical aim. Open your hood and locate the vertical adjustment screw on the back of each headlight assembly. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, turn the screw to move the beam up or down. You want the top edge of the low beam's brightest part to align with or be slightly below the horizontal line you marked on the wall. Finally, adjust the horizontal aim. Find the horizontal adjustment screw, usually near the vertical one. Turn it to move the beam left or right. The brightest part of your low beam should be centered on the vertical line you drew. Double-check both headlights to ensure they are properly aimed, providing optimal visibility without blinding oncoming drivers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.